Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you are doing great. So this is lesson 3 of my watercolor painting tutorial series. So today I'm going to paint some flowers. The petals, how you can make layers of petals, and how you can paint teeny mini flowers, wildflowers, and I will try to make the video shorter so that you should not get bored, but I will try to cover few types of flowers, if not many, and different ways to paint flowers. So this is very easy, relaxing, and I hope you enjoy the video. So as I have already told, that flower painting is one of my most favorite thing, uh, and I enjoy painting flowers in pot, flowers in flower vase, and in garden, in wildflowers, and various types of flowers. So I have already done that, and you can go and watch the playlist flower painting. So I have given the link in the description, you go and watch. So for flower painting we need both the brushes, like the fine brush and the thicker brush. So today I'm painting flowers with layers, and how can you make the petals with layers, and the light shade and the darker shade. So whenever in watercolor painting, it's advisable to start with the light shades, uh, light tones. So because once you do the darker tones, you can't make it lighter. And so what I start with is the light, the lightest tone, and then we can do the extra detailings with the darker shades. So this is how we are going to paint. And for flowers we need some warm colors like red, orange, pink, and magenta, and all these types of colors. And for the leaves and the stem we need the various shades of green, but because it's a beginner level watercolor painting, I am not using very different types of shades or mixing colors and all that. We will work with the available colors for now, and in my subsequent in my other lessons I will also make tutorials on how to mix the colors and make new colors, and all that, and so on. So I hope you are enjoying. Let's see. And I'm trying to make the video very easy and enjoying for you. Let me know in the comment section if you like it or not, or what more I want to paint for you. Okay, so okay, watch it till the end. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And have a good day. Bye bye.